Good morning, student. Today we are going to study here this next one chapter in your regular math textbook, multiplication, page number 24. Next one chapter name right here, multiplication. Multiplication. See here, the children made a bunch of flowers. Children made a bunch of flowers to give a tie on Teacher's Day. Tonu, Sonu, Salma, John and Nandu each brought 2 flowers and Sonu tied all these flowers there together. Lovely, what a big bunch of these flowers and so pretty. How many flowers are there in altogether? You see here, how many students here? 5 students, and one student has here 2 flowers. Then one student has 2 flowers and total here 5 students, 2 into 5, then total how many flowers here? 10 flowers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here this bunch of this flower 10. 2 flowers from each of the 5 us make a total of this 10 flowers. 2 flowers each from 5 of us mean taking 2 5 times. You take here 2 5 times. 5 times means you do here this addition 5 times means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to answer. And 2 5 times means you take here 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10. Adding them together, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. Means it is written as this 2 5 times means 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 is called this product of this 2 and 5. This 10 number is called as this product of 2 and 5. Now there are some pictures. Let us count the number of fruits in them. See, first one example. 4 lemons in each row and 2 such rows. Twice 4 is here 8 lemons. Twice 4 is taking here 4 2 times and adding them here. Taking these 4 2 times means 4 into 2, 4 2 is 8. The next one, 4 guavas in a row and 3 such rows. Then it is 3 times 4 which is 12. Then you write here this such rows here 3 and times here 4. You take here this 3 4 times. 3 times 4. 4 3 times means 4 into 3 is equal to 12. The next one, see. Here cucumbers, 4 cucumbers in a row. Then how many rows here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in one row here 4 cucumbers. Then 4 into 4. 4 4 is a total here 16 cucumbers. 4 mangoes in a row and here 10 such rows. You see here. Here how many rows here? 10. And in one row here how many mangoes? 4. Then 10 into 4 is equal to answer 40. Means total mangoes here 40. The next one, see this multiplication. Tonu has 3 balls, Sonu has 3 balls, Nandu has 3 balls and Salma has 3 balls. If each of them has 3 balls, then how many balls altogether? How many students here? 4. Then one student has here 3 balls. Then 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then addition of these 3 taken here 4 times is 4 times 3 means 4 into 3 is equal to 12. In the same way, fill in the blanks and in the examples below. See here 6 mangoes in each basket. Here how many baskets? 3 baskets. And in each basket here 6 mangoes. Then here 6 taken here 3 times. Then you write here this multiplication 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Children are standing in 7 groups of these 3 children each. children are standing in 7 groups, and in one group here 3 children. Then 7 into 3 is equal to answer here 21. Look at the picture and prepare an example like this one given below. See here sugar canes, here bundle of these 4, and in one bundle here how many sugar canes? 10. Then 10 taken here 4 times, means 10 into 4 is equal to answer 40. Then here total sugar canes here 40. Next one example, see here, one notebook cost is ₹5. Then how much will 9 such notebooks cost? Then you write this example. One notebook cost ₹5. One notebook cost ₹5. How much will then how much will 9 notebooks cost? 9 notebooks cost. See here, one notebook cost here 5 rupees. Then how much will 9 notebooks cost? Means 9 into 5. Then you write here 45 rupees. This 9 notebooks cost is here 45 rupees. Then see next one. Tables are nothing but series of this multiplication. Later on we shall use these tables to carry out the multiplications of large numbers. Let us recite these 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 times table. See here tables, multiplication tables here given 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. In your notebook also you write these tables and recite it. Then see here in the form of these objects, here flowers as an addition. Here how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one box has here 2 flowers, means here 2 taken 5 times. 2 5 times. Then addition of these 2 5 times. 2 into 5 is equal to answer here 10. Then see here caps. In one box here 5 caps. Another cap here 5 caps. 5 plus 5 10. Then you take here this 5 2 times. 5 2 times means 5 into 2 is equal to answer. You write here 10. Then next one, see here these crayons. In one box here 3 crayons, and here how many boxes? 1 2 3 4 5. Then you take here 3 5 times. 3 5 times. Then 3 into 5 is equal to answer here 15. Next one, see here how many these dots? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And here how many boxes? Here 3 boxes. Then you take write here this 10 3 times. 10 3 times means 10 into 3 is equal to 30. Then see here gavas. Here in one box here 4 gavas, and here how many boxes? Here 6. Means you take here this 4 6 times. 4 6 times. Then 4 into 6 is equal to answer 24. Total gavas here 24. Then next one, see here matchsticks bundle. Here how many bundles? 1 2 3 4 5 6. And in one bundle how many matchsticks? Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 matchsticks. Then you taken here this 10 6 times. How many times? Here 6 times. Then you write here 10 into 6 is equal to answer here 60. Then next one, here 6 times table is given. You write this table in your notebook. 6 time table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, and 6 10s are 60. Here 6 table is given. 7 8 9, this also table is given. Then in homework you write this 2 to 10 tables. 2 to 10 tables and recite it. Okay. Bye.